And then there are these internal organs, lung, large intestine, nose, skin, grief. Those will take a look more as we dive into the organ system. The sound, this is more to do with the course too, and why we do certain things, the behavior, and then lifestyle and choices that we make. Weeping sound, as a practitioner, you listen to the tone of their voice. Some people have a shouting voice for no reason. There's, shouting is not a problem if there is an injustice, if there's something wrong going on. But some people have a loud voice, even in a happy conversation, in front of you. That shows an imbalance in the wood element. Some people have a weeping voice, like a complaining, and it's more of a metal sound voice. Moaning and groaning, oh my god, that's a water imbalance, like a deep. Oh, how are you? I'm so happy. Laughing, this is the fire imbalance, like people giggle. Hey, I saw a flower. Yeah. So that's an imbalance of the fire element. If it's something funny, it's appropriate. When the sound of the voice is expressed properly, it's healthy. When the sound comes out inappropriately, then shows an imbalance with a particular element. And singing is the earth element, is the voice that we hear. La 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 la. How are you? Like the Italians a little bit. Okay, so, and then we'll take a look at the others as we go each element every day. All right.